this is Chandra B.F.A again from KACC, Kalamandiram Arts and Crafts classes. Friends, we got this unicorn pottery wheel through Amazon. We unpacked it and let's see what happens. We put the inserted batteries also. Now this is the wheel. For this wheel you can see. Okay. Now let me prepare the clay. Afterwards we will get to work, real work. We have two blocks here. With some struggle we managed to make one lamp each, and today again we'll be making a second attempt. Let's see. One block I will set aside for our little friend because she likes to play with clay. I put some talcum powder so that clay won't stick on the palms. I have kneaded it well. So kneading is very important. Even though the package says the clay is ready, always it's better to knead, like how we do with chapatis, rotis. Now to operate it. Now let me see if this works. It is something. There are 3 points here: off, medium and also fast. Let me put it in medium. I'm just pouring little water. Let me see how it works. So somehow I managed to make something looking like a flower vase. Okay. Because as I told you, I have taken only half of the clay. In fact, less than that, because yesterday both of us, Mr. and Mrs. Iyer, had made one lamp each. Now they are dried up. We'll be coloring it now after some time. Friends, I have applied some acrylic colors, you can see, on these lamps, backside. If you have two items to paint, it will be better because you can paint them simultaneously. When one gets dried up, you can paint on the other. I have applied some acrylic colors which I already had with me on these lamps. Of course, I did get this along with the package, but it says Sri Ladli packaging. Okay, let me keep it aside for Ladli, for my little friend. For this verse, you can see which with great difficulty we are managed to make yesterday. For this verse, I wanted to add 100% natural color. red sand or red earth. It's called Geru or Girika. Red earth is a silicate of alumina and oxide of iron. It is used in Ayurveda in medicine form, also in rangolis or kolam borders, for the borders you can see. I have applied red mud with a cotton ball. You can see a cotton ball inside. I didn't use a brush for this. The fragrance of wet red mud is so pleasant. It makes you so happy. You can say it is a down to earth vase. This one. So let's see. had allowed it to get dried. I am using this Fevicryl white one because against this maroonish color, this white looks really beautiful. Now if you give some dots around the image that was embossed earlier with a syrup lid, it will be easy to paint. Instead of making straight lines, we can give some dots. See, this is embossed already. You don't have to paint it as it is, it looks nice. Just few colors will do. In this I am not taking any other color. White against dark brown. This burnt sienna as the artists call, as per artist terminology, not maroon. Maroon is Indian red, right? So I'll be coloring the rest of it also. When you color one side, you must be careful not to take your finger on the other side. You can only hold it this way, like this, and paint the other side. And once the top is dry, then you go for the bottom. Okay? And not to forget to close the lid immediately. That was Fevicryl color. And friends, you have seen that I always make use of old things. This mat, table mat, is an old one that I have used. You have seen that we have used an old ghee bottle, cup syrups, lid, and this to cover teacup, coaster, and this has no hair left, poor thing. But the back side of this brush I use to remove color from old tubes, old color. I don't leave anything, just like that, so that even a single pie saved is single pie penny earned, isn't it? Okay. So that's all for now. Meet you again in the next video with a more interesting topic than this one. The topic will be related to the same. Till then, be active, creative, positive, and interactive. Please give a like below this video, hit the bell button and subscribe to our channel KACC. Yes. Why KACC? Because it is different. Why is it different? Today you will learn to make lamps on a vase and also points about red mud. This one, Geru or Girika. Right? That's what makes KACC different and unique. So please subscribe to our channel KACC Creator. Shubhadinam.